Oh my God, my Shayla.
When I look at you, I can't believe it's true. You're all I ever dreamed of, and you love me.